The Furider Folding Electric Bike is a game-changer for anyone looking for a convenient, high-performance ride. If you are curious about the latest price of this electric bike, you can check it out from the description below. With its powerful 1200W motor, this bike accelerates quickly and reaches speeds up to 28 miles per hour, making your daily commute or weekend adventure both fun and efficient. Its all-terrain 16-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires offer excellent grip and stability on urban roads, dirt trails, sand, or even snowy paths, giving you confidence wherever you ride. The removable 48V18 lithium-ion battery provides a solid range of up to 35 miles on a single charge, which is perfect for longer trips without worrying about running out of power. Charging is fast, taking just around 6.5 hours, and the battery's dust-proof design ensures durability over time. The dual suspension system, front fork and seat suspension, smooths out bumps in rough terrain, while the front and rear mechanical disc brakes deliver strong, reliable stopping power in all conditions. Built with high-carbon steel, this bike supports up to 500 pounds, offering premium durability. Its 5-speed digital display lets you easily control the riding mode, and the comfortable waterproof leather seat ensures a pleasant ride every time. The folding design makes storage and transport incredibly easy, whether you're heading to work, school, or a weekend getaway. Of course, this bike is slightly heavier than typical foldable bikes, and the larger fat tires might feel bulky in tight spaces. But these trade-offs come with the added benefits of stability, comfort, and durability. Overall, the Furider Folding Electric Bike balances speed, power, and portability perfectly. Check the link in the description below to see the current price and availability, and take your commute or outdoor adventures to the next level with this impressive e-bike.